So what does the big guy in the tiny house do when he messes up his leg playing flag football with his son's Boy Scout troop? He builds a Lego cabin, of course. Or I guess I should say interlocking bricks. Because this is not that expensive Lego brand A-frame set, but more of a poor man's off-brand version. Watch me put it together on the kitchen table up in the big house while I was still struggling to get around with a walker and a wheelchair. And if you want one just like it for yourself or as a gift this holiday season, I put a link down in the description. The videos I have planned about installing a solar power system and building this cool folding chair from a single piece of plywood would just have to wait. Like and subscribe so you don't miss those. I was pleasantly surprised by the overall quality of the kit and the instructions. They broke it down into 3 stages, and the pieces are in bags numbered accordingly. The box says it's for ages 6 and up, but I gotta believe that's a safety thing for younger kids who might swallow the pieces. With more than 1,600 pieces, I can't imagine a 6-year-old could build it without a lot of adult help. My 13-year-old son, on the other hand, had no problem following the directions.
I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down.
It took us 7 sittings over 2 weekends to complete the whole thing.
I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again.
So there it is. In my opinion, it's a nice little set. This one has an open back, kind of like a dollhouse, and a lot of little details like a bed, dining room table, outside kitchen, root cellar with carrots and bananas. Some questionable roof repairs, and a full bathroom up top. Kids will love the little toilet. The only thing missing is people, so you'll have to go find some Lego people if that's important to you. It even comes with a string of lights you can use to light it up. I'm not going to lie. Being stuck inside, unable to work on my projects is no fun. But it's not all bad. What's that saying? When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. I got to spend some time with my family and the cats and count my blessings.